and today I am with my little brother Mason, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for 17 subscribers. I want to see if you guys can click that like button and subscribe button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did that, do hashtag Mia and Mason, because my little brother's here with me. And today we are going to be doing my slime collection. And before I get started, I want to give 3 shout outs. 1 to my best friend Jenna and Nicole, because okay, 4. 1 for my friend Nicole, another one for my friend Jenna, which they both gave me a ton of these slimes, and another one to my cousin Haley, and then another one for me. How many put in my hair? Oh, that's really good. You got some. And yeah, let's get started. So this first one.
No, I'm supposed to go first. You remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. You go first.
Sorry, guys. You might need to start this video. Should we start it with again?
No. Okay, I have a red one. I hate red. All the colors I like this one. I'm so really sorry. It's okay. Okay,
She let me keep this one for
okay.
Alright, guys.
So yeah, that's number 1.
Yeah.
This other one.
If they get the highest,
slime.
if they get the highest number, wins.
This is the unicorn
bye,
slime, and it's really crunchy, guys. Listen. So yeah, that is the unicorn slime. Slime number 2. That's slime number 3.
Slime number 3. Okay, I'm getting high numbers. Okay.
Slime number 3 is the pink unicorn fluffy slime.
It's not that fluffy though. Oh, watch this. Slime face. Okay. What? Guys, leave the comments down below if there's any slime, pink slime.
There's no slime on here.
Okay, there's no slime now. It's coming. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey,
Now,
slime number 4. The slime number 4 is the stark blue one.
Comment down below if we should spin 2 fidget spinners at 3 a.m. and comment down below if you did that before. Should we do that one time? Should they comment that?
Okay.
If we get 1,000 subscribers, we might do it. But the last day we're gonna do the video. Oh my gosh, I'm crying right now. Because
Anyways, this other slime is the stark blue one.
Why am I even
It's really cool.
Why am I even playing with slime anymore? Hey, if you guys don't recognize my face, we went to the Farmington pool today.
Yeah.
And we saw someone from the Farmington pool.
So Mason does not have any more slimes to show, so he's just gonna play with
Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, that one. Okay, share that one. I forgot about that one.
Okay, I guess you. Okay. Hi, night. How's it going? But there you go. Guys, my donka is out to your house, pooping in your bed. Sucks. I can see he's pooping in your bed.
Okay, right here.
Okay, who's my stupid slime? Well, it's kind of shit. Okay, guys, if you guys are talking, just can you please?
So yeah, guys.
Donka, shut up. Sorry.
Yeah, that's slime number something.
Look at
That's
that.
slime number something.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
This is the sparkly blue one, and it is fluffy, and oh my gosh, it's so cool. Look at this, you guys. It's literally jiggly and so much fun to play with. So
Okay.
cool.
Okay.
So the other one
My other one is this red one.
Yeah, he already shared that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep sharing those same exact ones. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Hey, how about I'll talk? I did. How me and Mia might have a Halo video sometimes. Comment down below if we should have a Halo video, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now this other one is butter slime.
Yep.
It's a really good slime, you guys.
It's really good.
So this is butter slime. It's white and it has. Hold on, let it focus.
You stink.
So now it has like these like little blue things in it. Like
Okay, now I have a pink one. I have a pink slime now.
No, that's still the red one.
Okay, which one should I push? He's lucky.
No.
All the slimes are sticky.
Anyways, I'm not gonna have him do all of them over and over again. So
I have a mustache, which is red. How do you guys like it?
This is
And I got
the purple slime that I made with my friend Vivi. It's really poking fun. The other slime, the last but not least slime, is the marshmallow slime.
Yeah, I have a beard, man. Oh, slime. Hey, how
So
many?
this is the marshmallow slime, and it's really fluffy and a lot of fun to play with.
Yes, because I'm a mom. I'm a mustache. Okay, I wanted.
Okay, take it off because it's gonna stick to you.
Oh no! Pain. Okay, I'll take the mustache off. Oh, good. Oh no!
Okay, you guys, like this video, comment down below if you guys like this video, and subscribe to this channel, and bye!